Now the night is magic. Magic because really it's like you are in another part of the time, in a world that does not exist.
Today's Weave event was beautiful. This is my second year attending. My daughters participated in the art making workshops.
We always work in the workshop every year.
Every year.
Every year. And we are here and say, this So we always will be here.
It's exciting.
It's
It
exciting.
gets better every year.
Saw pieces and we didn't know how they were related, and then someone told us they were like parts of a bigger puzzle. Yeah. And then when they came together, it was really cool and it made a lot of sense and it was beautiful.